Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks learning platform, and today we are here again with reasoning. Okay, so today we are going to learn at some, because TCS is going to ask also that the reasoning part. Okay, so in 2021 they have also included that the reasoning part. So we are going to learn some reasoning concept. In the reasoning is generally ask some question like coding decoding questions. Okay, then blood relations questions. Okay, like this kind of a thing. Okay, basically missing number series, such kind of a question they usually ask, a directions question, anything like that. But the thing is, like, the question is not too much, it's a like of a lengthy question. Okay, until unless we are not going to include the logs and anything, but the question is not too much lengthy. Okay, or like a circular sitting arrangement or rectangular sitting arrangement, these questions are basically come in the lengthy part. But sometimes, like, some questions are very easy. Okay, some questions are like, if you are going to consider the direction questions. Okay, if you're going to see that the blood relation questions, if you're going to see the missing number series questions, these questions are basically easy questions, so you can go for that also. I'm not saying that you don't have to attempt that part which is very tough, but I'm saying that these questions, like, some questions are taking less time, some questions are taking more time. Okay, so we have to do what, like, we have to put ourselves in the that questions who is taking actually less time, and then we are just we can have some extra time so that we can put these questions on the another one. Okay, so just before starting the session, just let me know that my voice is clear, that audio is clear or not. Okay, sound is clear, and I can see that students is already joined in the session. So let's start the session with okay, I'm just starting the session with the very first concept. This is called alphabetical series missing concept. Okay, so it's here, it's a kind of a, they usually give one alphabetical number. Okay, one alphabetics. Okay, and then they ask you, like, which after this time. Okay, like here it's written that B. Okay, B D F L F I L P. Then they will going to ask you what will be the next number. Okay, after this. So these numbers are basically, these alphabets are basically, like, they are follow a pattern. Okay, we have to see that which pattern they are exactly following, and after that we have to find out the last one, or the missing one. Sometimes they ask you that the missing part over here, sometimes they ask you in the initial part, sometimes they ask in the middle of the series. Okay, so it depends, it's changed question by question, but we don't have to worry about, only we have to find the pattern. Okay, once you find the pattern, you can easily tell that what will be the missing number. Okay, or missing series. So for this, whenever you see the alphabetical orders question, okay, just here's a question like, what will be the missing alphabetical word in the series. Okay, here it only, you have only, first thing you have to do is, like, just remember that A to Z. Okay, that A for A is 1. Okay, B is 2, C is 3. This is the place value. Okay, like Z is 26, like that. Okay, so I'm going to see the question. The question is exactly BDFI is like B D F I B D F I L P L P, and then we have to find the another one. Okay, now see the place value. Here I have just placed this thing like A to Z. It's like a 1 to 26. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to write the place value of these numbers. So B for it's 2. Okay, D for it's 4, F for it's 6. Okay, then I for it's 9. Okay, then L for it's 12. Okay, then P for is 16. Okay, then we have to find out his one. Okay, so we have to find out, like, which one is, like, going in right way. Okay, whenever see there is not a single pattern here. It's not like it's all the numbers are in the even form. It's not like all the number are in odd form. So we have to find, see the series, how, like, in what manner this number is going through. This number is increasing. Okay, it means that we are adding some numbers in the consecutive number, so that we are getting another one number. Okay, so like 2 and 4, there is a difference of plus 2. Okay, 4 and 6 we have plus 2. Okay, this one is common. 6 and 9, here we have plus 3. Then again 9 and 12, it we have plus 3. Now 12 and 16 is like plus 4. So the pattern is like plus 2 plus 2, then plus 3 plus 3, then plus 4, and then again plus 4. Okay, so it means, like, if I'm going to add, see, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. Okay, so the number who is exactly sitting on the number 20, that will be our answer. Once you see this part, that on this 20 is T, it's our option number C. So when you see these questions, okay, like they are alphabetical, so they include your word problem as well as your alphanumeric problems also. So here you have to see the series. Okay, if the series is like decreasing, it means that we are just subtracting something, but here it's a series was quite of a increasing. And there's one more thing, that it's not like always you have to go that okay, it's the increasing series and there is something adding over here. No, if the series is going is like 2 8, okay, and then again it's like 64, okay, so it's a kind of a huge series, it's exponentially increasing, it means they are something multiplying over there, it's a not kind of a addition series. Okay, so I hope is this question is clear. If there are any doubt, just let me know. I'm just looking for the chat box. Is there any doubt? Okay, yeah, yes, you are right, they are option number C. Now let's move to the another one. Here you see the question. Can you see this question? Again, this is the same kind of a question we have just solved it. What will be the missing alphabetical word in the series A, G, L, P, S? And again, there is a missing. Okay, this is the series and this is the missing part. This is our 4 options. Can you try this one? Here's our options. Okay, I'll give you some hint. Okay, after that you will also going to continue this. Okay, we'll continue regarding this. I'm just giving you some hint like how we are going to do this. See, as again, this is the same kind of a concept we have just read earlier. A, G, L, P, S is kind of alphabetical series. Now, what we have to do, we have to follow this one. Okay, it's like A, G, L, P, S. Okay, now I'm going to write the whole number, that the numbers A, G, L, P, S. Okay, now we have to find the another one. Okay, now the place value of A is 1. For place value of G is 7. For L is 12. For P is 16. For S is 19. Okay, it's a like 1 7 12 16 and 19. Okay, so now we didn't find any specific order over here. Okay, now I'm going to do this like the series is increasing but slight increasing, it's not exponentially increasing. So let's check that the consecutive number what their exactly difference is. So they have a difference of 6. Okay, I'm just checking this one. 7 and 12, they have a difference of 5. They have a difference of 4. Okay, they have a difference of 3. Okay, it means that the another number which will come at that place definitely have 2 difference. Okay, so like 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 2 21. Okay, so the number which is coming at that place definitely would be the number who is exactly on the 21 number. It's the 21 number is U, our option number A. Why we are doing so? Because see, here we find not any kind of a specific pattern, but here we find that the number is decreasing 6 5 4 3 2, and then that's why it's 2. If there is 2 vacant place, okay, then another one is definitely 1. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, you have to see the series, you have to see the question, you have to see the pattern, and after that you have to follow. Okay, I hope that you understand this one. Okay, so let's move to another question. See, this is a boy and a girl is facing to each other. If the boy is standing at the northwest direction of the girl, then the girl is in which direction of the boy? Okay, let me just make a very thing clear. Is like, suppose if this is our rectangular plane. Okay, so this is our east, this is our west, this is our north, and this is our south. So this plane is our northeast, this plane is southeast. Okay, this one is southwest, and this one is northwest. Okay, this 4 thing. Now as for the question, okay, that the question is just I'm moving forward. What they have asked us, like the question is The question is like, a boy and a girl is facing to each other. It means that they are facing to each other. Okay. The first thing is very clear. If the boy is standing at the northwest direction of the girl, okay. So see, this is the northwest direction. It means our boy is standing over here. Okay. Then the girl is in which direction to the boy? Since it's clearly written that the both are standing in front of each other. Okay. If the someone is standing in front of me, okay, it means that I'm right here. Then definitely just in front of me. Okay. So as per the question, the boy is sitting at northwest side, okay, of the girl. It means just in front of that northwest is like southwest. Okay. Can you see this? This is diagonally opposite. Okay. This will not go this side, this side, this side. Okay. Northwest, the diagonally opposite will be directly in front of that boy. So the girl is sitting on southeast direction. Our option number A. Is there any problem in this? Okay, now we can move forward. So our option is basically southeast. Now again, there's one more question. See, this kind of a question is very important. In a certain language, hurt is written as FGYTR, then the code for MOUSE is. Okay, see, certain language, here we do some kind, this is a coding decoding kind of a question. Like here we are using, and in this we are using that alphanumeric series, also alphabetical series, anything whatever it's going to apply over there, we're going to apply. So the thing is, hurt is written as FGYTR, so the mouse will be written as how much. Okay, so let's see the question. Whenever in this kind of a question, we are also again going to apply the same thing like this pattern. Okay, so I am is like H E A R T, hurt. Okay, just below I am writing this one, F G Y T R. Okay, since this is also the 5 word, okay, and this is also the 5 letter, so I can write this just bottom and up and bottom. Okay, now you have to see that what relation exactly they are following. So in such kind of a question, we find the relationship with an adjacent person. Okay, like I'm going to make a relation like, is there any relation of H and F? Okay, so let's see, like what is the place value of H? H place value is 8 and F place value is 6. Okay, now E place value is like E is 5 and G has 7. Okay, A is 1, this one is 25, R is like 18 and T is like 20. Okay, again T is like 20 and R is like 18. Okay, so now I have just written that the place value of these alphabeticals. Okay, now I'm going to find this. See, here the series, I'm just taking this one. Okay, I'm just taking this a bottom one as a reference. So 6 plus 2, here I am doing plus 2. If I'm adding some plus 2, then we are getting this one. Okay, here I am just that 7, it's written over there, and 5, it means it's minus 2. It's like if I'm going to see that the Y, Z and A, okay, then it's a plus 2 case, Y plus 1 Z plus 1 A. Again here it's like 20 and 18, it's like a minus 2. Again for the others it's a plus 2. How I'm writing this one? See, this F is here. Okay, it's the place value is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 place value is H. Okay, now it's 7. 7 minus 2, it's a 5 written over there. 7 minus 2 is 5. So that's why it's a minus 2. It's 25. It's not like 25 plus 2 is 1. I'm just writing the place value. I'm just doing this one in the reference of place value. So 25 is Y. Okay, Y plus 1 is Z, and then again plus 1 is A. So it's like this. T is 20 and upper one is 18. So 20 minus 2 is 18. Then again is 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. So it's our manner is this one. Okay, so this is like plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2. Same fashion, we are going to arrange this one in the another one like mouse. Okay, so we have MOUSE. Okay, So now just check then how it will be going to happen. Like first one is plus 2. Okay. So plus 2 is in which way? Like I'm just considering this one. Okay. So if I'm going to take this one, because we from this code I have, from this word we have coded this one. Okay. Now from this we have to code it this one. We have already written it's a mouse. Okay. So I'm going to do this one from here also. Agar if I am going to see this 8 minus 2, if I'm going to see this is minus 2. Okay. This is plus 2. This is minus 2. This is plus 2, and this is minus 2. Okay. For this word I am using same one. The first one is minus 2. M is what? 13. Okay. So 13 minus 2. Okay. 13 minus 2 is 11. 11 is K. Okay. Then again E is here, it's like plus 2. So plus 2 is for O, plus 2 will be Q. Okay. So O and the plus 2 will be Q. For U, the it's again, it's a plus, it's a minus 2, then it's a minus 2, then plus 2, then again minus 2, then plus 2, and then minus 2. So again it's a minus 2 case. So in the minus 2, U minus 2. Okay. It's like S. It's a U, and U minus 2 is S. Then S, it's a plus 2 case. S plus 2 is again S plus 2. Okay. It's a U. Okay. So K, Q, S, U. And then again, third one is, it's again the case of minus 2. So it's a minus 2 case will be C is like, which one? Minus 2, minus plus, minus plus, minus, it's like A. C, our option number is this one. Our option number is D. So in that case, like these things in going to in that way, like you have to go for that plus 2 minus 2 cases. Okay. And minus 2 plus 2 cases in that way. Okay. So this is the thing you have to take care of this. Is there any doubt till this? Just let me know. Any doubt? Any confusion? Any confusion? I'm just waiting for you. Let's simply, this one is written as this one, and you don't have to go the all the options. Once you're looking for this, like initially these three, you just validate. Okay, you can move further too. Okay, you can move easily further, like which one is the which one is going to be thing. So I think this is all for today. Okay, and in the Geeks for Geeks, we have especially prepared some study materials, as well as that the thing which is especially dedicated for our mock test. So this is our link. Okay, you can go through this link and you'll find that is there anything you need, like from the mock test related things. Okay, or for anything you can easily find out over there. Okay, so let me show you one more thing, like from where you can find what you can find these things over there. Let me just, here's a course prepared for from the Geeks for Geeks. Okay, so the we have, like for the especially TCS NQT. Okay, we have this practice test, we have the mock test, full mock. Okay, coding decoding related questions, as well as 2000 plus questions plus 55 plus mocks. Okay, so like this whole course is for the very limited period of time, yet it's the price is 999, but for the very limited period of time this course value is only 499. But this is a limited period offer. I'm just definitely, I'm 100% sure this is the limited period offer. Okay, so I think this is all for today. Okay, thank you. And in the next class, we are going to learn something about that logical. It's like a numerical ability. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching.